there guys, this is Tracy here and welcome to my channel ToyBroadway. So today what I have for you is a cash register and it's a happy shopping day, they tell me. So let's check out the contents and see how we go. So here we have everything that was in this box. We have our basket, we have all of our delicious fruit and vegetables, chocolate milk, ketchup, Mentos mints, the scales, the till receipt, credit card, the till itself or cash register with microphone, and also the scanner. So let's switch it on and let's see how we get on. Right, so let's put the basket on the scales and we'll weigh up the vegetables. So the aubergine, £1, and the carrot, 50p, bananas, £2, and grapes, we'll have those at £1.20. Press equals. So that comes to a total of £4.70. So our customer wants to pay with the card. So we'll just swipe that. It's accepted it. So there we go. I should think. There we go, and we can give them the receipt there. So this winds out to give the till receipt. How fantastic is that? So that's our fruit and vegetables, and we'll just pop them in a bag, and then we can go on to our dried goods. So that's customer number one, very happy. And here we go. So chocolate milk, £1.20. Put those in the basket. Tomato sauce, £2. Mentos, 70p. Right, so this person is paying with cash, and there's some change in there. And also we have a key to lock up at night, and also we have a scanner. So let's try the scanner. Where's the barcode? There we go. Is there a barcode on here? And one on here somewhere. There we go, and they're going to pay in cash. So we can open the till and give the change. And also give them a receipt as well. And if we want to make an announcement, we just use our microphone. Would Mary come to customer services, please? Mary to customer services. All cleaners to aisle 4. There's been a spillage. All cleaners to aisle 4. So there you go then, guys. That's the cash register. And yes, I would say it's happy shopping. So take care. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and share with us, with all your friends on Google+. And I'll see you again real soon. So bye for now.